Welcome to the setup process video. Prior to this step, please be logged into your AWS account. Here, I'm going to use my Google login for account creation. You can create a manual account if you wish. You may arrive at a screen like this for missing information from the free trial. Click Continue, and you'll see two tabs, the Launch Stack and the Manual Approach. Click on the Launch Stack button while being logged into AWS or login. Click on the button called Next that you see here, and you'll need what's called an external ID, which is unique for you. Copy this from the other tab right here and paste it into this form here. Click Next. Click Next on this screen. There is nothing needs to be done here. And click on the checkbox. I acknowledge that AWS Cloudformation might need to create AEM resources, which it does. Now click the refresh button. And this script takes about a few seconds. Then open the Outputs tab and copy the value and paste that from the Outputs tab. Copy the value and paste that into the role ARN field, and give a friendly name for yourself to distinguish this account from other accounts you may wish to add later. Click Save AWS Account. You should arrive at a screen like this, and if you click on the friendly name, you can edit it via pencil, and you should arrive at, by clicking on the friendly name, it should take you to an AWS dashboard screen like this. But within 3 minutes, you should see a completed dashboard screen with analysis of your savings opportunity and be able to drill down on these savings. Enjoy your free trial, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us via our live chat tool here.